So just like a lot of other people, I've jumped on the Blackstone Griddle. I have a Traeger smoker and a Weber grill. Love them both. Great products. But I can't get enough of this. So just trying to get more information. I'm sure a lot of other people like you have been out there on YouTube and just trying to figure out what the best accessories are. So here's my list. Basically what I've done is kind of made a little kit, just Walmart, $4. You can get one of these totes. It fits right underneath the griddle. So I can keep all my stuff out here. I'm tired of running back and forth in the house to get what I need. So this is really working out well. So this is kind of some of the things. Let's go through what I have in here. No particular order, but this is a baker's rack. So when I'm cooking bacon, various things like that, I can lay it on the griddle, get it up off the heat, allow it to drain a little bit. Comes in really handy. Probably one of the best things that I've gotten are these scrub things. These are little scrub pads. These can get off of Amazon. I got like a pack of 20 for it's next to nothing. Obviously you have these little handles, they go on, clean the grub down, or the grill down. It works pretty good. I also, every once in a while, if I get some tough stains, like using these stainless steel Brillo pads. Again, I think it was a pack of 12 off of Amazon, fairly cheap. Always have the backup. And then when you want to really get and knock some of the marks that you get in your grill, these are these pads. You can find them in a lot of restaurant cooking stores. Again, also you can get this off of Amazon. Highly recommend it. I'm probably going to do this again today. I may make a video of it, but I'm going to knock down some of those scratches that you get and then re-season my griddle. I'll start by using this, and also using these. Again, does a real nice job. So kind of keep everything in a bag just to keep it out of the way. Always can use a nice little saucepan. I can set that right on the griddle. Again, got this from a restaurant supply store here locally. I think it was $3. It was less than $5. So again, lay that on the griddle, it keeps it warm. I can use it for basting. My basting brush, if I'm gonna baste some stuff. I'm gonna make some griddled chicken wings later today. One of the things that's important is keeping a temp of your griddle. So I can shoot this at any time, see what the actual reading of it is. Makes it nice for keeping different heat zones on your griddle. So it's another good product. This one here I got at Harbor Freight. I just saw this morning they're on sale for like 16 bucks. So you can't beat that. This I haven't tried out yet, but I'm anxious to use this. I actually ordered this from Blackstone. They have a lot of great products. I can tell you the quality of this is just outstanding. Wooden feet. I can put it onto the griddle and do my cooking. And the reason I'm doing that and the reason I got that is I was kind of doing it like the hibachi chefs, right on the griddle, cooking the meat and the steak, chicken and so forth, cutting it. And I really started to notice it was scratching up my griddle. So I immediately ordered this. Since we're talking about this, I also got a knife specific for using out here. Is a great brand. I don't know if you ever saw it. I kind of stumbled upon it. Again, I keep this in my kit because I'm tired of going in and out. I'll take everything in, wash it, put it back in the kit, bring it out here. That way I know I always have everything out here. But this is what I'll do most of my chopping on here, right on the griddle. Really nice knife. And very inexpensive for the quality that you get. Again, Amazon purchase, go on, look it up. I'll try to put a link down in the description a little bit later. So everybody says you need squirt bottles. I have my own. Both of them are down here. My oil. I have my water for steaming. I just picked up this pack again. Local restaurant store, 16 ounce, 6-pack. Again, I think they were less than $5 for these. So you can't beat it. I'm gonna probably put various sauces in a couple of these. Again, I'll keep them out here, the ones that can store outside the refrigerator. But great value, great product to get. So something that I made on my own is this. It's a square steamer. I have the round one like everybody else, and it works great. Has no problems with it. But there are times where I'm doing multiple burgers that I can put that on. All this was a steaming tray. I think it's 10.5 by 13, something like that. Again, less than 10 bucks. It might have been $6, $7 at a local restaurant store. Great price. I just bought a wooden handle, drilled a hole in it, put it in. I actually have a video of that on this channel, so you can see that as well. Again, I can now just squirt my water, put that on, do multiple items at once. And just to round out what I have in the tray, you know, your egg makers, this, your tongs. I mean, they're always important. Spatulas. It's my temperature reading. I'll talk about those in a second. Again, 2 of these are very good. This is very sturdy. I also have like a paint scraper one. It's actually in the house right now getting washed. But I don't know if you can see that in it. That actually has like a cutting beveled edge on it. Pretty sturdy. And I typically use these a lot together. I just picked these up. I'm gonna try these. A lot of cutting and so forth on the griddle. You can use it to mix things up. I ordered both these off of Amazon. Very, very inexpensive. Nice addition. Again, my eggs, to make the eggs, these don't work that well. So I tried. I used them a couple times. I've actually used the rubber ones, the silicone ones. They kind of work a little bit better. But this came in a pancake making kit that I got from Blackstone. And when you put it on, you get a little seepage. It's not a big deal, but it does help try to contain it. I keep a box in the garage of food grade gloves. It helps, just helps keep you from touching your products and so forth. Good tool here is a Thermo Pro. Again, another Amazon purchase, big on Amazon. But this works really nice for a quick measurement of food. I don't know if you can see that. I can test the food, get the internal temperature very, very quickly. So like this product a lot. And again, super, super cheap. These 2 here go to a wireless system. I typically use it in my Traeger. But again, I have access. I can put this on, go in the house, watch some football, do whatever. So speaking of which, got to get my lineup in for FanDuel. But I hope you enjoyed this. These are some of the things that I use pretty much on an everyday basis. Obviously, this is not going to be a permanent fixture out here, but you use tons and tons of towels. I'm trying to incorporate a better way to get something to hang on the side here. There's another modification I'm putting on this grill I'll cover later, are the heat shields on both sides. Not sure if you can see that, but that's the heat coming off there, melts those bottles pretty easily. So when you're cooking, make sure you keep these bottles back as far as possible or onto another surface. Last but not least, you always want to hydrate. We actually sell these products. It's a boot and a handle, various colors. Check them out on the Vortex Amazon website. These will be released probably within the next 7 to 10 days. We just sent our shipment in. Again, we do a lot of police stuff, so we have a police matching combo. The reason I like these handles and the boot really makes it nice, helps protect it, gives it a secure. keeps it from dents and dings. And then the handle is real nice because it comes apart. We can snip that right onto our backpack or belt loop or whatever, carrying water. And the other thing with Hydro Flask, these here fit no matter if it's a 12, 24 ounce or a 32 to 40 ounce. So these are really, really nice. I encourage you to check them out here in the next 7 to 10 days. Thank you.